Here's something I can do instead of building the format and waste a lot of time in formatting. If I go to view and there are themes like Excel, you can choose any theme, dark theme or light theme. You can customize your current theme. You can say, I don't have to format every card or every title or every visual, every page, every time I do work. I can have a standard default formatting, and by default, any new visual or card or title added, the same formatting will apply, which is really, really great. You can customize your theme if you want, or, which I recommend, you can import a ready theme, someone who has done the formatting as their best practices and imported the theme right away. The theme can be imported as JSON file. I have multiple themes here. Okay, you can choose any one you like. I also provided my theme, Smart PM theme. I can go to view, browse for themes, and choose Smart PM. And yeah, you got all the formatting. You have right now the font size, font type, title font, title size, whatever it wants, it works for you. You can also search online. There are plenty of themes. Maybe you wanna have a minimalist, light background theme, not dark. You can do that. What I recommend is don't impose, like if you want to really, like it's a pro tip, don't apply any formatting. The problem with imposing formatting is the changes will apply if you import any theme. So don't format manually, but what you can do is like the first thing you want to do is maybe import two themes, one light background theme and one dark background theme. Dark background is good for presentations. If you are in a meeting or something, it's really good. The problem with dark themes is not really nice for printing, because in our job, we need to print reports for submission. It's not really nice to have a dark background for printing, because later on you will not really prepare the progress report manually. Everything will be updated for you automatically. So the report will be done for you. You only need to structure the report only once, then you don't have to worry. You can only print layouts. So this is the report for this. This is the current theme. You can have another theme and you keep switching. So choose another theme, for example. It takes like 5 seconds or something to switch. You can have also, like what I would do is I can also have like 10 themes, different colors, different presentations. Every time I present something fancy, it's only take 5 seconds. So you have like your top 5 themes ready on your PC and you keep switching, for example,